Form is emptiness. Emptiness itself is form.
The workshop is in the mind.
All of us need to be liberated from our culture to a certain extent. You learn fundamentally words, that is to say, in terms of a symbolic language about life.
Assumptions that we all seem to have that we simply take to be true.
We're identifying with all the wrong things and we ignore the genuine reality.
That's why we have problems. That's the wrong concept of mind, wrong view.
Are you even aware of what the contents of your mind are?
External conditions do play a major role in our lives. It's very obvious.
The ego likes to be flattered, wants to be wanted.
You have within you a burning desire to find out what it's all about.
You can have motivation change, action change.
Develop your own innate wisdom, which each of you possesses and just needs to be recognized and uncovered.
Got to go all that long way around to get back to the thing that it once had.
The nature of the mind is empty.
Every thought we have is a seed that we plant in our mind that will bring a fruit similar to that seed in terms of our future experiences.
You see? So that's why we need to carefully check, look at ourselves to the mind. That's very important, day by day.
And it's terribly difficult.
Deconstruct in order to learn to reconstruct views that are in sync with reality.
Disrupts the normal flow of interchange.
Right cause, wrong cause, negative, positive.
That inner wisdom which could be called God, it can be called anything, it's just a name.
Feel embarrassed by religious questions.
God is just a word.
Changing the mind isn't something mysterious. It's really changing the way we see things.
Which bit is the me?
It is animated by a spirit.